Ever dream of having a killer music video but worried about the budget? Well, guess what? You can create an incredible one using AI, and trust me, it's easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, because who needs Hollywood when you have AI superpowers, right? So grab your headphones, let's crank up the creativity and dive in. So let's see how this looks.
In this crazy world where things get tough, there's a love that's pure, it's more than enough. A bond unbreakable like a shining star. It's the love between a puppy and a kitten so far. I'm sitting by the window staring at the moon, thinking about the miles between me and you. Our love is like a melody that never fades away. Even though we're far apart, you're with me every day.
Cool, right? So after watching this video, you will be able to create videos similar to this one, in which the words, music, and images are all generated using AI. So let's get started on creating an AI music video. To create an AI music video, we're going to do 4 simple steps. First things first, we need that catchy tune to drive your video. Head over to suni-ai, a fantastic AI music creation platform. This tool can generate music, speech, and sound effects for free in just a few clicks. Now, to make a song, click here. These are some songs that have already been created using AI, so check them out for some inspiration. As we are looking to create a song on our own, you'll need to make an account to start creating your song. So, click on Sign Up, and then sign in with your Google account. And click on the Create button. And here, you need to describe how we want the song to be. In my case, I'm going to ask you to create a song about love and friendship. So I'm going to enter a soulful song about puppy and kitten, love and friendship, and click Create. As you can see, it has generated 2 different songs. You can now listen to them by clicking here.
In this crazy world where things get tough, there's a lot.
You can also see the lyrics for the selected songs. I'm loving this one. So to download it, just go here and click Download Audio, and the song will be downloaded to your computer. We've now successfully created our AI music. Let's now look at how the music video and visual are made. Let's go on to step 2, where we will create the song's visuals. In order to generate visuals, we have to generate some AI images, which we can animate later. We are going to use an AI tool called Leonardo.ai to bring the images to life. Leonardo.ai is essentially your personal AI artist. Think of it as an online tool that uses AI to create stunning visuals based on your descriptions. You can tell it what you want. From landscapes to portraits, it's free with some limitations, easy and mind-blowing. It is really simple to use and gives some free credits you can play with. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this site. Once you're here, just click on Create an Account. Now, simply sign up with your Google account. Now you will reach this page where we can create the visuals we need for our music video. To start creating, click on Image Generation, and here you can describe the visual you want. I'm going to type Generate a 5 puppy and kitten, love and friendship in different seasons and places. And click Generate. And there you go. Your image is ready in one click. I'm planning to do the same and make a few more images. Now these visuals are only images. So the next step is to transform these photos into a video. To do that, just hover over the image and you'll see an option to generate a motion video. So just click on it, set the motion strength to 6 and click Generate. Similarly, do for all the images. Once done, let's download it by clicking here. So let's go on to the next step, editing the video. For this, we'll be using the free online video editing tool, CapCut, which is so simple and user-friendly if you are a complete beginner to video editing. Simply click the link in the description, it will take you to this page. To create a music video, select Create New. Now select the video's aspect ratio. I'm going to pick 16:9. Once done, it's time to upload the clips and audio. Just click Upload and then click from this device. Now import all the songs and all the videos you made earlier. First, let's add a song, drag and drop it. Next, let's add our videos. Now arrange them in the order that you want them to appear in the video. For a smoother look, you can also add some transitions between the videos. Feel free to play around with the different transitions and effects. Now, let's add some captions to make our video more visually appealing. To do that, click Caption and select Auto Lyrics. Then click Generate. Once generated, you can play around with fonts and styles. And now that you've added all of your ideal transitions, effects, and captions, once this is done, click Export and your video will be exported. Now let's play it and see how it looks.
In this crazy world where things get tough, there's a love that's pure, it's more than enough. A bond unbreakable like a shining star. It's the love between a puppy and a kitten so far. Oh, pause of love, pause of friendship. Oh baby, in their eyes we see the purest innocence. They chase and play like there's no tomorrow. Puppy and kitten, forever love that will borrow.
We just created a fantastic music video with AI. The rhythm is catchy and the visuals are breathtaking. Now it's your time. Here are some more videos we created using the same technique.
I'm sitting by the window, staring at the moon, thinking about the miles between me and you. Our love is like a melody that never fades away. Even though we're far apart, you're with me every day. City lights and midnight texts, you're the one I won't forget. Through the distance, we stay connected. In this long distance love, we're protected.
It's stunning, and I'm completely satisfied. Try it yourself and make your own music video. And don't forget to share it in the comments below. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Journey Signals for more cool videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to share your thought in the comments below.